What's up guys, it's me, Kelvin, back again with another video. And for today's video guys, i-introduce ko sa inyo kung ano yung pinaka-cheapest and budget-friendly vlogging camera para sa mga small YouTubers out there or small vloggers out there na gustong mag-upgrade from phone to actual camera. Let's go! Disclaimer guys, this video is not sponsored by the brand that I will introduce to you guys. Me personally, I've used this vlogging camera and I have been satisfied and I have been so very happy sa mga results po nitong camera na to, so that I can help you all upgrade your vlogging career. So let's go. So first things first, there are things that we have to consider in choosing our cheapest camera. So first thing we have to consider is the price, obviously, because we are looking for cheap camera. And second is the video quality of the camera. Third is the audio quality of the camera. And last but not the least is the compatibility of the camera. This tiny camera is actually my vlogging camera for about more than a year. And before po ako nag-DSLR, I used this tiny camera. And this is the Yi action camera. And first, let's talk about the price. This is only for about $40 or 2,000 pesos in Philippine peso. And I've used my own money to buy this small thing, and actually it comes with a box, small box lang siya. By the way guys, if you buy this, it only comes with charger and a one battery and also manual. Yeah. Pero alam natin guys na may ibang action camera na meron ng kasamang case, but for this action camera, you have to buy the case separately. So next we have to consider is the video quality. Actually guys, this small tiny beast right here can shoot 2K 30 frames per second. Like, hindi mo ma-expect sa ganito kaliit na makakashoot siya ng 2K 30 frames per second. And also, this can shoot 1080p up to 60 frames per second and also 720p up to 120 frames per second. So ganyan siya kagaling guys. Like, grabe, oy, nahihirapan ako sa pagtagalog. Put like the L. Laban. This small camera right here guys, ito. Yan. Has 3 buttons, the power button, the record button, and the capture button, and also the Wi-Fi button. So let's go. The only downside of this action camera or vlogging camera is wala po siyang screen, LCD screen. And saan itong tatlo ba na? Wala po siyang LCD screen, so mahirapan po tayo na makita kung ano yung nakikita nito. But thankfully meron silang application which is this Yi action camera, itong green po na icon. Ito yung app na magko-connect from here to here para makikita natin kung ano rin ang nakikita ng ating camera. Para ma-connect siya guys, kailangan natin i-on yung Wi-Fi and also ang Wi-Fi ng ating mobile phones. As you can all see, Cam. Let's go, i-open natin. So as you can see, hinaharap ko itong action camera sa aking DSLR here. As you can see, meron ako sa harap ng aking window. Ito po yun. And as you can see me here, yan, napaka-wide angle po. So ipapakita ko ito sa inyo guys. Ito ang resolution niya. So I'm currently in 1080p 60 frames per second. And meron siyang 2K. Ito, 2K 30 frames per second, 720p 120 frames per second. And also, para malaman nyo ang audio quality guys, magpa-play ako yung mga previous videos ko. So yeah.
And sa mga wala po kabalo no kay I also play piano.
We are at the Japanese tunnel. So ayun, sasama na lang ako sa kanila.
Yun. So, yun yung video quality niya guys. So, okay, let's stop right here. And what's good about this small tiny vlogging camera if bibilhin nyo? Meron siyang direct na tripod mount. Ito, unlike any other action cameras na kinakailangan mo pa bumili ng case for the camera itself and also yung stand niya para magkaroon ka ng tripod mount. Yun. So ito, i-set lang natin. Oh, it's very good. It's very awesome, guys. I really love this action camera. I really love this thing right here. Oh, and by the way, dito kayo mag-charge. Tapos dito yung SD card na ilalagay nyo. Kung napapansin nyo, guys, meron akong scotch tape dito. It's because nasira tong back case na to, so madali lang siyang matanggal. So for just about $40, you will have yourself this vlogging camera right here. I really recommend this to you if wala kayong budget. If wala kayong budget for DSLR or a camera like this, kung wala kayong budget for a camera like that, maybe invest for a camera like this. So that's it, guys, for this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you like this video, and I hope nakatulong ako, guys. Nakatulong ako sa inyo, and sana nakatulong ako sa pag-upgrade nyo. And yeah, I hope pag-isipan yung mabuti kasi this thing will make your video quality look better. Promise. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and also the notification bell. Click it also for you to be notified whenever I upload new videos. Guys, let's do this. Kapoy sig Tagalog.